Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. I thought I'd just go over this picture here. So this is a painting I painted last year. It's a full lesson on my online painting school. Link is in the description below. And I just thought I'd show you how I'm going to work on this tree here. All the paints, the brushes and the painting surface I used are available in my shop website, also link below. But anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Right, so let's start working on that tree then. What I want to do is just put some little dots where I think the tree needs to get to. So rather than sketching it out in pencil, it probably starts around that point there, comes out over to here maybe, and round there. And then on this side, it drops down from about that high point there. It drops down to, say, that point. Okay, so now that gives us a framework that we can work to. So let's just put in these larger branches. It's going to do this approximate. It doesn't need to be absolutely perfect. Okay, right, so there's still more to do, of course, but I'm going to move over to a larger brush now just to get the outer branches in place. So I'm not copying it once again so faithfully. I'm doing my own thing really. So we're making a little bit of progress now. We've got the shape. I'm quite happy with that. We do just need to build up now on all the various branches coming in from all directions. So we're getting there. There's still more to be done. It's actually, there's more twigs and branches on the outer reaches of this tree here, but I think we're going to find a different method rather than doing the whole thing with this rigger brush. We're going to find another way of doing it. So just going to continue for a little bit longer. Okay, right, I think what I'm going to do now is just move over to the other rigger brush, so the series 1 size 0, and I'm just going to add some of the green highlighted bits just on the main trunks for now. So bear in mind that the light's coming from the right hand side, so you don't want any of these highlights on the left of the branches. I'm going to use the Series 3 just to add a little bit more in there before we then go ahead and put any highlights on. So just remember that the light is coming in from the right hand side, so if you're going to add any highlights to any existing branches, we need to concentrate on the right hand side of those. And also it's fine to have that lighter edge slightly broken because it's always going to have some shade over the top of it, so you don't need to have them long continuous lighter lines. So as you can see, I'm doing here, just adding some breaks in between. Right, so I'm going to add a little bit of snow in there now. So moving back to the rigger brush. Okay, right, so I've done that. I'm going to move over now to the fan brush, and I'm going to just add a little bit more snow in the small areas. And then just using the corner of the brush, just tapping against the surface. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed and you don't want to miss any further content, then please subscribe to the channel. Okay, I think that's probably everything. Just once again, the lessons, full lessons in the description below, as are all of the paints brushes that I used. All right, have a good week, everybody. See you soon.